Chase Man, Cone Man, I have an idea. How about we call Princess T and see if she wants to come hang out with you guys?
That's a great idea, Daddy.
But listen, guys, Princess T's phone is broken, so we have to use our super dinosaur powers to see if we can teleport Princess T here. You think we can do it? All right, we gotta get in position though, okay? Princess T said whenever we wanna hang out with her, we just have to say the Princess T magic words.
Crazy!
Whoa, it's happening, guys, it's happening! Princess T!
Hi, Jason Cole, it's Princess T.
Hi, Princess T. Hi, Princess T.
Guess what? I'm in New York City, and I got my hands on some Ryan's World mystery egg. And I was wondering if some Dinosaur Patrol would like to open it with me.
We love finding the world egg. We definitely want to come in and hang out with you.
Great, but how are you going to get here?
What do you mean we have a Jurassic Park truck? You'll go Jurassic Park to see the dinosaur patrol.
Of course, you guys are the Dinosaur Patrol, but just be careful. The traffic here is like a herd of raptors. See you guys soon.
We'll be there soon. God, we'll be there soon. Welcome to the Adventures.
Chase Man, Cone Man, what are you doing?
We hold them in the eggs.
What eggs are those?
Fire.
You got Ryan World eggs? From who? Princess T.
Ryan's World egg. We got the giant one, the mini ones.
These are so cool. Chase Man, Cone Man, you guys want to open up these eggs with Princess T?
Yeah, let's start opening them.
Let's start opening.
First, I have to find orange.
You did find it. Whoa, what is that, Chase Man? What is that next to you? What is that? Is that the gauntlet?
What are you doing, Chase Man?
What is it? Guys,
Don't press that button.
don't press that button. Don't press it. Whoa, guys, what happened to the eggs?
Our eggs.
What happened? You pressed the button and a lightning bolt came out and it zapped our eggs away. Where, Princess T, where'd they go?
I don't know.
What are we gonna
What happened
do?
to them?
Chase Man, what are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Cole Man, what are we gonna do?
We're going to say.
We're gonna save the eggs?
How are we gonna do that?
Well, you know what? Hey, Cole Man, why don't you try to press a button and maybe if you press a button.
They'll come back.
Hey.
No, nothing's happening yet. Let's try it again. Let's press the button on the count of 3 and be really careful. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, what's going on? Whoa, guys! It's Johnny and Zoey from Epic Toy Channel. What are you guys doing here?
We were playing with our toys. And then we got here.
And then you got, I don't understand. Wait, where's your mom and dad?
I don't know.
Is that your gauntlet?
Did you do something, Cole Man?
What?
Oh, don't.
Don't do that, Coleman. Don't do that. We're gonna lose everything. All right, guys, we got Epic Toy Channel here. We got Chase and Cole Adventures, and we got Princess T. We had 3 giant Ryan Roll eggs here, and then a pterodactyl came in, dropped the gauntlet, and then all of a sudden we pressed the button and all our eggs disappeared. Has that ever happened to you guys before?
Nope.
No? Princess T, what do we do?
Look for our eggs.
If you press the button, Thanos will come.
We can't let that happen. We're gonna talk to Chase and Cole's dinosaur friends, and they're gonna help us find those eggs. But Epic Toy Channel, do you guys have your Nerf blasters with you?
No. Yep.
No? What? Yes? Yes? No?
Yes.
No? Yes? No?
We do. Maybe we should send my dad here.
Justin! Stop playing right now! Dino Dad's on the phone for you. Johnny and Zoey are in New York City with Princess T and the Dinosaur Patrol. Here you go.
Hey, Justin, what's going on?
Hey, Dino Dad, what's up?
I'm in New York City. I'm with Chase and Cole, but Johnny and Zoey are here.
That's where they went. How'd that happen?
I don't know what happened. I mean, we were just sitting here with Princess T. We're about to open up our surprise eggs. Tammy the pterodactyl flew over our head. She dropped the gauntlet right next to Cole and Chase. They pressed the button. I told them not to. We watched all your videos. I said, do not press that button, but they pressed it. And all of a sudden, Johnny and Zoey appeared.
Are they okay?
No, it's okay. Don't worry. They're perfectly safe. We got our dinosaur friends here. The problem is, Cole pressed the button twice. When he pressed it the second time, all of our surprise eggs disappeared. We don't know where they are. Now there's aliens here. We don't know where they came from. We need our Nerf blasters. Zoey said that you can send them to us.
Oh yeah, I can do that. I got another one. I'll send them right over. They should be there now.
Okay, that's awesome. I'm gonna look for them now. Thanks, Justin. Talk to you later, man.
All right, Dino Dad. See ya.
Johnny and Zoey, will you guys grab your Nerf blasters so that just in case we need them, I'm not sure, dinosaurs are our friends, but sometimes aliens come, so you guys might need to zap them before we find the eggs. Are you guys ready to go find those eggs?
Let's go, come on.
Let's go find those eggs. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
We're gonna begin the game now. How about our eggs? Come on, huddle up, huddle up. 1, 2, 3. Let's go look for these eggs. Come on, run, run, run. Let's see who can find it. Any eggs anywhere?
Did you guys find them?
No.
Are they here?
And remember, if you see some aliens, use your blaster, okay?
Johnny, you got your zapper? Zoey, you got the gauntlet? You got the zapper? Princess T, what do you have?
I have them.
You have them.
Sure. Okay.
Let's look, let's look. Go guys, help out Princess T, it's a giant alien. Zap him. Get him, get him, get him. You got him. Good job, guys, good job. Let's go find those eggs now. Come on, guys. I don't know how we're gonna find these eggs. It is really hard. I need a break. Let me see this gauntlet. I've never seen this before. Let me see. I need some help. Whoa, what's going on? What is this? Cassie from Epic Toy Channel? What are you doing here?
Oh, Dino Dad! Hey! How are Johnny and Zoey doing? Are they having so much fun?
Yeah, Johnny and Zoey were chasing Cole and our dinosaur friends and Princess ToysReview. They were just about to open up a bunch of Ryan World eggs. Our pterodactyl friend came by, dropped the gauntlet on the bench. Chase and Cole didn't know any better. They haven't watched enough of your videos. I'm gonna talk to them about that. And they pressed the button. And then all of a sudden, all of our Ryan World eggs disappeared.
No! That is crazy! But I'm glad the kids are safe.
Yeah, don't worry, they're perfectly safe. Our dinosaur friends are here. They're gonna protect them. But Cassie, I really need some help. You have an idea where these Ryan World eggs could be?
Okay, so whenever Thanos hides toys from us, he hides them under tables, under benches. He's pretty sneaky, but if you look around really good, you can find them.
Okay, awesome, I got it. Thank you so much, Cassie. We love you guys. We'll see you soon.
Awesome, you guys are the best. Good luck, bye.
What is that purple thing?
Did you find it? Is that an egg? Zoey, you got it, you got it. It's stuck. Good job, guys.
Okay, so that's one. I'll hold it for you guys. What about the other two? Where should we go look at? That way? Oh, where's the other egg? Maybe look in the bushes. See if there's any eggs inside.
You got it. Good job, guys. Good job. All right, that's two of them.
That's two. Where's the last giant one?
Let me ask James the T-Rex.
Okay.
James the T-Rex, where is this last egg? We have no idea where it is. All right, that's a good enough hint. Let's go find it. Princess T, James the T-Rex used his super dinosaur powers to sniff out the last Ryan World egg. He said it smells like it's somewhere near flowers or a garden or something like that.
Your dress has flowers on there. Do you have the last egg? No.
She found the one. She found one of the eggs.
Wait a minute, I see some flowers over there.
Did you find it? You found it! Good job, guys. You found a giant Ryan egg. That's amazing.
think so.
Found the eggs, you guys. You wanna open them? Yeah. Oh no! Who's that? It's another alien. Y'all get them.
Epic Toy Channel, Dinosaur Patrol, the alien's right there. He's dancing, he thinks this is funny. Let's zap him, guys. 1, 2, 3, go! Get him, get him, get him! You got him! Good job, guys, good job! Zoe, you did so awesome. Let me see that gauntlet, that is so cool. Kiss me, Coleman, you did it!
Yay!
Let's go open up these eggs now. Come on, guys, let's go. James the T-Rex, Ronnie Adonis Rex, thank you guys so much. You guys are so much help. Thank you for helping us find those eggs.
Hi, James the T-Rex. I'm Princess T. Nice to meet you. Oh, your breath is really stinky. Does your mommy not brush her teeth? Tell her to stop opening toys and brush your teeth. Oh, now we're picking on her right now.
I love it. All right, go ahead.
Okay, take 53. This is for Ralph's channel. Okay, friends, thanks for watching. If you would like to take 56.
Are you sure this is?
This is for Ralph's channel. Okay, friends.
Way more than that.
Take number 75. Pause. Pause. Cole, wait. Cole. We gotta play with the glove first, then we'll go open this up, okay?
Just hold on one
Alright,
second.
you're gonna play with the Thanos glove. So it's called the gauntlet, right? Wait a minute. Let me back up, Cole, because I'm not sure what's gonna happen. I need some space here.
These are really old.
Alright, so I have Justin, you guys come up behind me.
Okay.
Because you guys are in the shot right now.
Oh, all of us.
Let's press that button and let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3. Go, actually, stand next.
The eggs in the shot?
Eggs in the shot.
The eggs in the shot?
Yeah, the eggs in the shot. That's always like. That's why I was confused about why you wanted.
Ryan!
Maybe we should send my dad here.
What was the question you asked?
They have Nerf blasters.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
You do have nerf questions. I brought some.
Okay.
So the answer is yes.